Hello, pet lovers, and welcome back to our Pup-Arazzi special edition. This is Cookie, your flurry friends from Best Friends Pet Hotel, the best pet haven located in the magical land of Disney World, Florida. So like Cookie, pack your pet's bag, strap in your seatbelt, because it's time to unleash the fun, frolic, and a whole lot of wagging tails. Let's dive into another exciting adventure. So if you stay on Disney World Resort in Florida, you will have to check in your pet if you are going to the theme park. So this hotel is affiliated with the Disney World, and it's featured on Disney World website. It's called Best Friends Pet Hotel, and the address and the phone number, I will put it down the link so you can see it on the YouTube website. They offer an easy booking, so you have to pre-book and reserve the spot and upload all the vaccination records by email. So it's offer also grooming service, and either they can eat the food there or you can bring home food for your dog. They also able to lodge your dogs overnight, or if you just want to pick up and drop off and pick up every day, that's fine too. The overnight stay is about an extra $10. They are very strict on having all vaccination records, so make sure that you either upload it and have it all the record ready by email, or you bring it with you on the check-in date. So it makes it very safe for all the other dogs. So the room is actually individual room. It comes for your dog. And did you know, for all the frugal people out there, they do take discount, AAA discount. So it comes up to about less than $50 per day, and if it's overnight, it's another almost $10 more. The drive is not too bad. It's about 12 minutes away from Disney World Resort. Phew, what a day it has been. Tails wag, nose boop, and paw high five. We hope you and your furry friends has as much fun as we had creating this video. Before we say our goodbye, don't forget to hit like and subscribe button to our channel to keep us with all the positive vibes and Best Friend Pet Hotel and other series of cookies, our little friendly dog. So until next time, this is Cookie wagging off with a promise of an even more thrilling adventure next time. So stay awesome, folks, and thank you for watching.